finally did my laundry. Thrifted a bunch of new clothes, aka bought them from a curated secondhand store. I gotta wash the previous lives of those away and put my personal touch on them. Let's try on some clothes. Oh, it's missing. I have to fix that. The top is BB, except I'm not going to Thailand anymore next month because of... But that's okay. We still have a beautiful top for the summer. Because thinking ahead, 2-in-1 top. It's I can't unbutton it. Very corporate aesthetic, except I'm nowhere near working corporate. I also found this skirt. It was a skirt. So we have some bottoms to layer up in. Oh, I don't even know if it'll fit my voluptuous fat ass. This is the intermission. I'm moving things around, but I need a break from the hard labor to dress up. So the pants are I'm Gia. The skirt, I don't know. Let's check. I wonder if I could style it in like other ways, like a poncho or something. Poncho things. She's kind of cute. And then the top, give me 1 second. This is her in all her glory. Gap. The material is stretchy, but it fits me quite well. I want to try wearing more colors, so gray it is, because we're in a gray area of our lives. No time for puns. Always struggling with what aesthetic I want to be, except you could be any aesthetic you want at the same time. So I guess right now I'm in a very demure vibe or so. For funsies, I got these Victoria's Secret PJ pants. They're comic pants. A boxer vibe. Nothing makes me feel sexier than wearing PJs. Hack if you ever want to tie your hair with a halter top. They're not meant to be styled together, but I did just want to show both of them at the same time. It's giving BB, except I couldn't find a brand on it. So for once, we're just gonna count what's on the outside and call it BB. On the inside, it could very well be Shein or something. I got this little cutie. It's 15 degrees in New York right now, so I don't know when I would wear this out. It could also be worn like this. Jump test. I can't jump, but I could walk. Walk and just constantly. Yeah. This top too, it's very Charlotte from Sex and the City, but is it very Yana? Not really, but she's pretty. And last but not least, I got this jacket. Every once in a while, I like to get a silly jacket because when life is so serious, the least you can do is be silly, wearing something so silly. Then I could zip it all the way up if I really wanted to. Oh, my hair. Whenever I see someone I don't want to see in public, it's already on sight. It's a double zipper. Star zippers. Just a cutie patootie that I could pimp in now with my Victoria's Secret comic book. Thanks for watching my try on haul. That's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed the little try on haul, I will be posting more. I promise this time. We're so back, bitches. Well, I hope so. So, peace out, yo. Okay, bye.